Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Hill back with another easy recipe. I'm going to preface with it is a low carb recipe, but you can definitely adapt it. If you're not low carb, you can add noodles to it. We did add brown rice for some of the kids. So we just found out that our 15-year-old is pre-diabetic. My husband is diabetic, and we already do low carb recipes for him. And so now we're going to have to do it for our other son. And we just wanted to make recipes that the whole family can eat and nobody feels left out. So this is a low carb recipe. I'm just throwing in some butter, an onion, and we'll add in some minced garlic and let that saute a little bit. And then we'll add in the ground beef. You can use whatever ground meat you want for this recipe. You can use sausage, half ground beef to add a little bit more flavor. But this is what we're going with, and I really hope you love it. So once those are sauteed a little bit, we're going to throw in the ground beef. We do 3 pounds when we make chili or anything with ground beef because our family eats so much and we have 3 growing boys and a husband. So that's in there. It's not fully thawed yet. So I'm going to get that browned, and then I'm going to start on the topping. So this is the topping. It's super easy. You're just going to do 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayo. I mean, doesn't that sound delicious already? And then you're going to add that into the bowl. And we are also going to add some Parmesan cheese. I did not have that much, so I just added a little bit, but about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and then mozzarella cheese. And I do about 2 to 3 cups. It just depends on what you want to do. There's no like right or wrong here. It's just as cheesy as you want to make it. And then you're just going to grab some seasonings and mix it together. And honestly, I don't remember where I went here and why I was gone for so long. But we're just going to mix it all together. I think I'm grabbing the seasonings. That's what I hope I'm doing. You're going to need salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Oh yeah, here I am. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste. I can't get it out. And then the Italian seasoning. Sorry for my hand, like what awful angles here. And just to mix it all together. I just taste a little bit to see if it needs just a little bit more. But again, it's just a couple of teaspoons or to taste.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside. let you slip in. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile.